Hey there, if you're getting this video, it's because you have not ever been a customer of mine or we've never talked about what I advocate for. So I'm going to be as brief as I can, but explain how you can make money without ever spending a dime and literally no inventory, I've never seen an opportunity like this. I've done several multi-level marketing businesses myself because of the tax benefits, which I also have a video on that if you would like. This lady, Courtney Epps, basically said it's stupid not to own a home-based business. That was what my post was about yesterday, because the average American household saves between $4,000 to $8,000 a month by having a home-based business. That's a lot of other information, but it's a great piece of the puzzle, right? So what I share with is something called the combo. It's amazing. It literally cleanses, purifies, detoxes the body and blood, helping it to run better through the organs. It's fat-fighting, cell cleansing. It literally melts the stored fat that's not supposed to be there. On the flip side, the other part of it helps with appetite and cravings control, metabolism boost, and natural energy. For me, I can't live without the energy and cravings control, okay? So I've been on it for about 2 years, but it took me about 2 months to hit my goal. I have hypothyroid and chronic fatigue along with a lot of other health problems, so I've struggled for years, and I was gaining weight and I couldn't do anything about it. This stuff is the first and only thing that I've ever taken that has not only helped me to melt it away, but to keep it off. Okay, so it works on the visceral fat first. That's the stored fat around our organs. It's the hardest to lose. We all have it. It works on that first, and it helps to make better choices, to portion control, all of those things to where it can work that much better together, okay? I lost 12 pounds in my first 2 months, 4 inches off my waist, 1.5 inches each leg, 1 inch each arm, and 1 inch in my hips. That was like, holy cow, incredible. I didn't have to go buy a whole new wardrobe set of jeans. That's what my thing was. I wasn't going to buy new jeans. Now, you didn't click on this or, ask for more information to hear that, but you need to know what I promote and why, okay? So I've changed hundreds of lives. I've got over 400 customers now, and I wouldn't have it any other way. I think it's an injustice not to share. Now, what would your part be in it? We have a $29 experience pack. That's all it is. $29, you get to experience how it makes you feel. I have never taken something before the first at least 2 weeks. Sometimes I take stuff like vitamins and stuff and I never notice if it makes a difference or not, right? So to notice within the first dose to the first 3 days, most people notice the energy and or appetite control. It's pretty incredible, right? And you could lose a couple pounds. I've had someone lose up to 9 pounds in their first experience pack, okay? So without even purchasing a link, I can send you a link for that $29 experience pack. I have to put something in the cart, right? You don't have to purchase it. I don't care if you do. I suggest it because that's how you know how it makes you feel. So you get to experience and know what you're talking about when you share it with others, right? Now, I send you the link, you create an account. That way they have your information, your billing, you actually don't have to put in your billing, but your shipping information so that they have a person to link it to. That gives you a username, and I can actually go and create you the same exact link, but under you, and you can actually share that with others. I can give you the blurb of how it works. I have even a training group if you want to do it as a business. But I can make you the same exact link and you can share that with others indefinitely and make $15 for every experience pack that you sell off of that link. Now, let's say they go on to purchase a month's supply. I really like this stuff. I want to keep going. For every first time order, you're going to get the commissions as well. You're commission qualified for all retail sales. The only difference is if you choose to be fully commission qualified for all commissions. It's very simple. It's not hard. It's not a heck of a lot like some companies. Like I said, no inventory, no nothing. It's just purchasing your own monthly product makes you fully commission qualified. Now, it's specifically 100 PV That's kind of something different. That's a don't need to know kind of thing and for right now. But basically, I purchase the Belly Blaster every month for myself. That makes me fully commission qualified. Simple as that. And that's for all of the residuals, the reorders every month. Then I'm qualified for everything. So not only do you get amazing tax benefits and write-offs like using my phone, using my computer, my internet. I purchased my computer for business, so I got to write that off on my taxes, my home office. If you're legitimately doing it as a business, you can actually have access to amazing potential tax benefits. Mileage. If I go down the street and I go to eat at a restaurant and I talk about the business to somebody, the business or the products, that mileage is tax deductible. That meal, I believe meals are around 30% tax deductible. I'm not a CPA. I'm not giving tax advice here other than this is something that you should know because it's incredible. The average American household saves between $4,000 and $8,000 a year by having a home-based business. So whether you choose to never purchase anything and just share that link with others, you can make the potential income. Whether I have some people who just do enough to try to pay for their product every month, to pay for their personal product, just so that they can be on it because it's that amazing and they can't afford to add something extra with what they're doing right now. Or I have some people who have started that and they just want to make an extra $100 to $500 a month. Easy peasy. Or if you want to go bigger, I make about half of what I was making full-time working very part-time, and I can't wait to go bigger because the opportunity is endless. I've seen it. I don't, we're not supposed to talk about, money and income and things like that, but I have seen, I'm talking up to thousands, 100,000 a month kind of thing. Okay. Not that that's going to happen right off the bat by any means, but the potential is there and it's endless. It's up to you. So is it simple? Absolutely. Is it easy? No, because you have to talk to people and you have to do what you do every day. You have to show up just like at work, but you can nonchalantly talk to people here and there. You can take your product and people start saying, oh my God, how do you have all this energy? Oh my God, what are you doing to lose the weight? I have a lady who her face shrunk within the first 2 weeks and everybody was asking her what in the world she was doing. Walking billboard. It's that simple, just sharing it with others. So if you'd like more information, let me know.